Cloud costs are growing fast, but the answers are usually buried across billing exports, cloud consoles, spreadsheets, and dashboards. ByChat FinOps turns cloud cost analysis into a simple conversation. Start by creating a dedicated FinOps agent. Choose your cloud provider: AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or Alibaba Cloud. Then connect your data source. Use a native cloud connector or simply upload a cost report as CSV. ByChat reads the billing data, prepares suggested FinOps questions, and lets you customize them for your workflow. You can also add infrastructure context, environments, budgets, services, and constraints, so the agent understands how your cloud actually works. Once the agent is ready, you do not need to build reports manually. Select a suggested question, and ByChat analyzes your cloud spend, explains what changed, highlights cost drivers, and suggests what to check next. Ask for a monthly spend trend, top services, regional breakdowns, or any other cost view. ByChat turns the answer into visual dashboards so finance, engineering, and operations teams can understand the numbers faster. Every chart can be exported in the format your team needs. Use PNG for presentations, CSV or XLSX for finance reviews, and JSON for technical workflows and integrations. Stop digging through cloud bills. Create a ByChat FinOps agent, ask better questions, and turn cloud spend into clear decisions. Visit bychat.ai.